So you're trying to launch a SvelteKit app, right? And you're wondering, how can I do that very quickly? Well, just go to deploy.com, and from the home page, just scroll down to this section where it says pick your stack. All you need to do is choose SvelteKit, and let's say you want to add a database. Well, choose something that makes sense for your application. In this case, I'm selecting PostgreSQL. Just give it a few seconds so it loads. Right now it's generating a project, and when the project is ready, at the end of this stage, now we have a development environment in which you can start coding right away just by clicking on this browser IDE, where you can start doing anything you want to this application. Now you might be wondering, do I need to do something like npm run, npm start? None of that. With deploy, you don't need to configure any servers. You don't need to worry about what is the starting command that you need for this application to run. The application is already running. So if I go here to the source folder, I can just start making changes. If I want to how the router works, I can make changes to the front end as well. And I can see these changes that I'm making live in the website by clicking on View App. And that will allow you to see that application that you just created. And that's it. So if you want to try other different frameworks, just follow the same process I just explained, and you can create an account on Deploy using your GitHub account. So if you don't have one, just create one, and you get 50 euros on free credits, so you can try different things. You can launch new applications if you want, and give it a try.